first thing you want to do is heat up your hot glue gun. Next, you're going to basically create rods out of hot glue sticks that will act as drainage holes for the planter. You will need 3 glue sticks for this. Cut your first piece at about 5/8 to 3/4 of an inch long, and then use that piece as a template for the rest. You're going to need to make 14 pieces. Once your pieces are cut and your glue gun is ready, glue 2 pieces to each petal as well as 2 in the center. The next step is to mix the cement. It's very important you mix enough cement that your flower-shaped mold will be completely full. I estimate I ended up using about 6 large cups full of cement in order to get enough mixture. The consistency should be thin enough that you can pour it into the molds, kind of the consistency of a thick milkshake. After pouring, spread the cement all around the mold, and make sure it's evenly distributed while patting it down. Once you think it's pretty even, shake the mold so that it's level. Keep gently shaking and tapping so that the air bubbles will rise to the surface. Go ahead and pop any that don't pop on their own. You can see how high my cement mixture is. This is the amount you want, otherwise you risk the sides that join the petals together being too thin and breaking off. Now take the top mold piece and place it on the mold containing the cement. Make sure you fit it properly and then push down firmly. While doing this, a good bit of cement will spill over the edge, and this is good. It means you have enough mixture. Go ahead and wipe off all of the excess. If you leave some of the cement overhanging, then you may struggle when demolding the planter. Let this cure a few hours. The longer it cures, the better the strength that will be achieved. If you can be patient, then let it cure even longer. And if the cement has any heat still coming off of it, then it is not ready to demold. When you are sure the cement planter has cured, you can remove the mold. This should come out pretty easily. I recommend putting an old towel underneath to help support it while demolding. This next part takes a little bit of work. The way to remove the glue is to use a drill to drill through the glue. This part probably took me about 15 to 20 minutes, mostly because the drill bit gets hot and then it softens the glue, so you'll have to get the glue off of the drill bit after removing every 2 or 3 glue sticks. I used the X-Acto blade to help get the glue off a bit. I even ended up changing out the bit once just to speed things up. Now there's just some finishing left. You'll probably have some sharp edges. I used a chisel to scrape down the edges, but a metal file will work too. After filing, just go over the planter with a sanding block. It really shouldn't need much. And finally, just give it a quick wipe down. After this step, you should be all set and ready to plant the succulents in your new flower-shaped planter.